You have a Captain Zoe Anderson, Mercedes, here. We can't wait to see more of you in this show, but you certainly made your voice known in this pilot, and you certainly are the boss. So,
Feels good.
To some people.
Settle down, Sergeant.
She does this a lot.
We don't have fun at all. On
I can tell. I can tell. So, what's it like for you playing this woman who's in charge of? I mean, you had also asked for John Nolan to be assigned to you guys. So, why was that? And what's it like for you to play this woman who's making these big decisions?
It feels amazing to be boss lady. That's always something that my husband says. If I play it at work, then maybe I will stop holding that role at home. You can keep dreaming. But no, it feels really good. And I actually did speak to a couple captains in real life who are women, and they said it's a struggle. You have 2 strikes against you, not only as a woman, but to rise through the ranks and show people that you can do this job and that you can do it well. And she's trying to take the police station, her station, into a new direction, into a younger, fresher way of dealing with things, to the chagrin of the sergeant. So she brought Nolan in because she knew that he would have life experience. Young rookies are amazing. They've got stamina, and they're gung-ho, and they want to get everything done. But somebody with some life experience. Did you just snort? You got stamina,
You just described everything I'm not. Keep going.
But somebody with life experience comes in, and they have life experience, and they have opinions, and they can bring a certain something else to the role that she knew Nolan would be incredible at. Incredible at.
Nice finish.